That is bloody beautiful right there. It's freezing out there. I don't know. I think it's perfect temperature. I think it's like 50 odd degrees outside. And this is 103. And this is how it's like a big hot bath. I mean, this is how I like it, hot. And when I take a shower, I like a hot shower. So the mission for today is to try and find some English bangers, some English sausages. I've been here 20 years and I miss them. I miss my family and I miss English sausages. So that's the mission, to try and find some, go out there, get them and cook them, because I miss them. When I first moved down here, there was a Russian guy, a Russian sausage maker, because I was looking up English bangers and I couldn't find any English sausages who made them. Anyway, come across this Russian guy and he made every European sausage under the sun. And I was a little worried by that, because it can't be amazing. They just can't be amazing. Anyway, he got some Cumberland sausages, which are my favourite. Lincolnshire sausages, Cumberland I think he had. I think they were the only two he had. And, you know, I know my English sausages. I know what they taste like and if they're good or not. So I purchased them. Long story short, got home, cooked them. I tasted and I was like, oh, this can't be it. Anyway, they were absolute amazing. To the T. Perfect. I couldn't tell a difference. And the thing is, he closed down. About 6 months later, he closed down because he weren't making much business. And I thought, I was gutted. And from then on, I couldn't find any English sausages. So today's mission is for me to try and find some English bangers. So I'm going to enjoy this soak. And then I'm going to crack on. All right, got my phone. Let battle commence. Let's try and find some sausages. And I'm determined today to find some. Go out there, get them, come back home and just try them. Hi, do you sell English sausages? I'm actually looking for English sausages. Do you sell them? Yeah, I'm actually looking for English sausages. I'm actually looking for English sausages. Do you sell them? Do you sell English sausages? Yeah, I'm actually looking for English sausages. Yeah, I'm actually looking for English sausages. Yeah, I'm trying to find English sausages. Do you actually sell them? How you doing? Do you sell English sausages? How you doing? Do you sell English sausages? How you doing? Do you sell English sausages? You're an insurance firm. Oh, do you sell them? Nope. I'm actually looking for English sausages. Do you sell them? How you doing? Do you sell English sausages? You do? Oh, you don't. This store never... Taste of Britain. This store never has what I want. They have like hot dog sausages, but I'll call and see what they say.
Taste of Britain, how may I help you?
Hello there. I'm actually looking for English sausages. Do you sell English sausages?
I do.
Oh, you do?
I have the Harold Woods, pork chipolatas, the pork bangers, the Lincolnshire, the
Oh, the Lincolnshire. Nice.
I do. Let's see, the pork chipolatas, the Cumberlands, the Lincolnshire. I've got the Winston, of course.
Yeah.
Wow. And that's what I've got in stock right now.
Wow, that's perfect. Okay, what time do you close?
6 o'clock.
Excellent. All right, I'm gonna be on my way. I'm gonna get some. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're most welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, they even said Cumberland. Cumberland, Lincolnshire, they've got all the ones that I want. They never used to have any like that. Bloody hot dogs, that's all they had. Let's get some sausages. Unbelievable. Well, this is it. Taste of Britain. I'm in Norcross. I didn't realise it weren't that far from where I live, so I'm going to see. Let's see if they sell British sausages. The Lincolnshire brand. So, how much are these? Lincoln, made in the US though. I don't know if these are going to be good. But this is the only place that sell bangers. All right, the most important part, and I just want to taste one of the sausages on their own. I mean, they cool down. I don't think it'll be too hot to bite into.